Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to repeat statements, how to execute one statement many times. These kind of things will be in this tutorial. So in this tutorial basically we are going to study about while loop and for loop. So then we will understand how these two kind of loop works and what kind of works we are going to do. So let's get started with that. So let's say we have a variable which is called int, and its value it is called counter, and it is equal to 0. So now we want to print about 10 times hello world. So let's say while then counter is less than equal to 10, then this here. So now you guys will be wondering what is this. So now this condition printf hello world, this hello world will be get printed unless counter is while the counter is less than equal to 10. So when the counter is less than equal to 10, this will be printed again, same this and this. When the counter will become 11, this will not get printed. The code will the compiler will come here, and this will the compiler will exit the program. So let's change this to 9 and see what we get printed. I'm going to add a new line here, and let's run this one. Okay, and as you can see that this is running again and again because we haven't incremented the counter. So we are going to increment the counter like this, and let's see what happens. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this statement has been printed 9 times. If I removed this one here and if I click on run, this will be keep running forever, so we don't want to do that. So I am going to place this counter once again, and if I click on play, this will be printed for a certain numbers. So this was the first kind of loop, and the second one is called for loop. In for loop we have int, and then we can say counter 1 which is equal to 0. This is the variable. Then we have to define a condition while counter is less than 10, and then same like this one here, we can say that counter 1 plus plus, and then we are going to say printf, and I am going to say hello world from the for loop, obviously on the next line, so that we can understand that. If I put a semicolon here, so let's run this one, and as you can see that till now we have hello world for the 8 times, and this will be like 10 times hello world from the for loop. So these are the two basic for loops, two basic loops. The loops means in order to repeat the statements or repeat the work that we are doing. These are very useful because they help to control the structure of the program. So there are two things that are very important in the programming world. The first one is if or else if statements, and the second one is these loops. So we combine everything in these two things in order to make our program well behaved, or to gain some important insights from our programming languages. So this was the while and for loop tutorial. I will see you guys in the next tutorial, in which we will be learning about uh, you can see that the other type of else and if condition. That will be very interesting when you have concrete conditions to match, not like this less than or greater than. When you have specific conditions to match, very specific conditions to match, then we will learn how we can do that in the next tutorial. Till now, take care. I will see you soon. Bye.